To view the landing pages for your site, you want to log into Google Analytics, go to Behavior, and then Site Content, and then Landing Pages. And you can see over here for a book blog, this shows some of the pages that somebody landed on. The reason that you would want to look at this in your analytics account is because it tells you which pages are acting as an introduction to your site. So your home page is not always the page that people see when they're first introduced to your site. They may find one of the landing pages in their search results. So instead of the home page, these pages actually were an introduction to this book review website. So there's a few things that you want to do. If you're looking at it, you can see here there's some pretty high bounce rates of 100%. With a book review or blog site, that's not totally uncommon because sometimes people will come in, they'll click, they'll look at a post, and then they leave. But depending on the type of site you have, if you're seeing a lot of really high bounce rates, you might want to investigate, see if there's anything wrong with your pages or something that you can improve. You also want to look at if there's how people got there. I think it's important to look at the acquisition. So under acquisition, we're going to look at source and medium. And this tells me where people were when they saw these landing pages that they decided to click on. So when I look at source and medium, I can see that here, let's see, so for this one book review, this Everyday of Friday journal, Google organic, you can see a fair number, well, considering a fair number of people found that in an organic search. You can see in Goodreads, which is a book review site or a book lover site, that there were a few referrals to the home page here. You can also see that there were a couple links from Facebook. So this particular post, when it was on Facebook, a couple of people did click through and come to it. So again, this is just to get you thinking about what to look at on your landing pages. So again, when you come into analytics, you'll see it over here on the left. It's behavior, site content, and then landing pages. And it defaults to just the landing pages. If you want to look at the source or medium where the people are coming from, then you would click down, you would choose source and medium, and then that digs into your data a little bit further, where you have your landing pages and then your source and medium, and then how many people visited, bounce rate. So it's good with most data and analytics to not look at just one figure, your one section, like looking at landing pages only. You want to drill into that and look at things such as the behavior over here towards the right, and sessions, how many people, and of course where people came from originally. You can easily remove a secondary dimension just by hitting that X, and now we're back to just the landing page only. So again, look at how people come to you, figure out which are the introductory pages to your site, and see if they can be changed at all, and if your important messages are there, since this is how most people learn about you.